Problem number 16. Percent profit earned by two companies X and Y over the years. Profit is equal to income minus expenditure. Percent profit is equal to profit by expenditure in 200. So profit percentage has to be calculated on the expenditure. Okay, come to problem number 16. If the expenditure of company Y in 1997 was 220, what was its income in 1997? So what they are telling? They have given that expenditure of Y, EY is equal to 220, EY is equal to 220, and profit percentage is 35%. You have to calculate on Y, okay, sorry, expenditure 35%. So profit is equal to 35% of 220, 35% of 220. So how you calculate 35%? 35% means 30% plus 5%. So how you can calculate 30%? 30% means 10% into 3. Then what do you mean by 10%? That is 22. So 22 into 3, that is 66. So now profit is equal to 66 plus, again you have to calculate 5%. So 5% how you calculate? So that is 10% by 2. So which is equal to 22 by 2, which is equal to 11. So 66 plus 11, which is equal to 77. So how much profit you got? You got 77. So now income is equal to expenditure plus profit. So expenditure is 220, 220 plus profit, that is 77. So altogether you are going to get 297 crores. Altogether 297 crores. Option B is the right answer. Only thing is you have to calculate the profit amount, add to the expenditure, you are going to get the total income. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Let's go to the next problem, problem number 17. Problem number 17. If the incomes of two companies were equal in 1999, then what was the ratio of expenditure of company X to that of company Y? So they are asking us to calculate the expenditure and they are telling that income are same. So 1999, okay, if the income of two companies were equal in 1999. So 1999 X, income of X is equal to income of Y in 1999, in 1999. So income means what? Income is equal to expenditure plus profit. So income of X, expenditure of X, profit of X. Next here income of Y is equal to expenditure of Y plus profit of Y. Now income, both the incomes are same means if LHS are same, then obviously RHS should be same. So expenditure of X plus profit of X is equal to expenditure of Y plus profit of Y. So what is the profit they have given in the year 1999? So in the year 1999 X is 50, X is 50% profit and Y is 60% profit. Okay, so this profit percentage is always calculated on, profit percentage is always calculated on the expenditure. So X is equal to 50% profit, so which is equal to 50% of expenditure. So here expenditure, if you write in the terms of percentage, 100% expenditure. Why we have to take 100% expenditure? Already in the topic profit and loss we have discussed. Okay, so 100% expenditure plus 50% expenditure is equal to, again here 100%, here 100% expenditure of X, 50% expenditure of X, here 100% expenditure of Y plus profit is 60% expenditure of Y. So which is equal to 150% expenditure of X is equal to 160% expenditure of Y. And what they are asking? They are asking the ratio of the company X to that of Y. So you have to calculate EX by EY. You have to calculate EX by EY. So which is equal to 160% by 150%. 160% by 150%, 0 0 cancels, which is equal to 16 is to 15, which is equal to 16:15. Option D is the right answer. 16:15. Option D is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 18. Problem number 18. The incomes of the companies X and Y in 2000 were in the ratio 3:4. What was the respective ratio of their expenditures? They are asking us to calculate the expenditure. See here, 3:4. X in the year 2000, that is X is to Y, that is 3:4. Now you have to calculate the ratio of their expenditure. Expenditure of X is to expenditure of Y, you have to calculate. See here, very simple to calculate. Don't get panic, don't worry, because income in ratio, profit percentage they have given, then you don't know what to calculate. Very simple. Two methodologies are there to solve these type of problems. Let me show you both the methodologies. First methodology, income of X by income of Y, that is the data they have given, that is 3/4. Income means what? Expenditure plus profit. Expenditure of X plus profit of X divided by expenditure of Y plus profit of Y, which is equal to 3/4. So, expenditure of profit in the terms of percentage, if I want to take 100% EX, 100% EX plus what is the profit of X in the year 2000? In the year 2000, the profit of X is 65%. So, 65% of expenditure next divided by 100% expenditure of EY plus profit of Y in the year 2000, that is 50% of EY. 50% of EY is equal to 3/4. So, now which is equal to 165 EX, expenditure of X, by 150 of expenditure Y is equal to 3/4. So, after simplification, EX by EY is equal to 3 into 150, you cross multiply, divided by 4 into 165. 4 into 165. Now, see here, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now, 5 11s are, 5 3s are 15, 30 you got. Now, 2 15s are, 2 2s are 4 you got. Now, 15 by 22, 15 by 22, which is equal to 15:22. So, option C is the right answer. 15:22. Now, you have one more methodology to solve. Okay, the income are in the ratio. Income of X is to income of Y is in the ratio 3:4. 3:4. So, you take random incomes which are in the ratio 3:4. You may take 30, 40, or you may take 300, 400, like that you take any two incomes. So, 30 and 40, I have taken two income. Now, what they are telling, we have to calculate the expenditure. Okay, so profit percentage is how much? Profit percentage of X. Profit percentage of X is 65%. So, now 65%, again see here, 65% plus expenditure 100%. So, altogether 165% of expenditure is equal to 30. Next EX, next EY, again see 50% is the profit for EY. For EY 50% is the profit, EY 50% is the profit. Expenditure of Y you take it as 100%. So, again altogether you are going to get EY. So, 150% of EY, 150% of EY is equal to 40. So, see here, 165% means EX is equal to, see 165 by 100 into EX is equal to 30. So, again EY 150% by 100 is equal to 40. So, EX is equal to 30 into 100 by 165. Next EY is equal to 40 into 100 by 150. 40 into 100 by 150. See here, few people doesn't get idea, okay, suddenly they won't get idea by seeing the problem, okay. If you get the idea to take the ratio, then you go for the first method. Otherwise, what to do? Don't get panic. If you won't get the idea to take the ratio, then directly you take any two number, that is 30 and 40. If they could have given the expenditure, then this method is very simple to calculate, but they have given the income, so it is taking time, bit time. Compared to the previous one, almost both are same. Okay, see here, now again Ex by Ey is equal to 30 into 100 by 165 whole divided by 40 into 100 by 150. So 100 cancel, so which is equal to 30 into 150 divided by 40 into 165. So again you are going to get 15 by 22, therefore 15 is to 22 is the answer. 15 is to 22 is the answer. So option C is the right answer. Till now we have discussed 18 problems in the line graph. Most of the varieties we have covered. You can expect these type of problems, 50% of the problems for the clerical level and other 50% of the problems for PO level. Please go through our website, solve more number of problems related to line graph. See, the data interpretation part is the only one part where you can score more marks if you know only three concepts, that is average, ratio, percentage. In least number of cases they can club the concept with profit and loss. If you know these four topics, then definitely you can attempt 5 out of 5 and you can get the right answer. Only thing is you should be strong in addition, multiplication, division. If you are strong in these three sections, means definitely you can score 5 out of 5 in clerical. If it is in PO, they may give 2 charts. If they give 2 charts, then it will be 10 marks. So definitely you can score 10 marks, and with the help of the aptitude problems, the other problems, okay, you can score definitely another 10 marks. So 20 problems you can able to clear the cutoff and you will be in the safer zone. Okay, so please practice more number of problems. Take subject wise mock test, take weekly mock test, okay, solve more number of problems in our website, go through the worked examples, understand the problems again, okay, go through the videos again and again, understand it properly and solve the problems, okay, and get good marks in the clerical exam as well as in the PO exam. Thank you.